Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Facebook Marketplace account the easy way so that you can start buying and selling the items. So first of all, you need to either open your Facebook application or you can come here on facebook.com. Just make sure that you sign in into your account first if you haven't already. Now over here, simply hover over to the left hand side and select the option of Marketplace. Now, if you are using Marketplace for the very first time, you need to allow Facebook to access your location so that it can show you the listings and the buyers near you. Now, over here, you are going to see the option of create a new listing. So what you need to do is if you want to list any of the items, you just have to select that. So among the given listing types, you need to select the type that best suits you. So if you are selling a vehicle, select the middle option. If you want to basically sell an item, select the first option. For property, select the third option. So let's say I want to sell an item, so I'm just going to select this option. Now over here, what you need to do first is to simply start adding the photos of the item, and then you just have to provide the title, select the pricing, the category, and then simply select the condition of the item. Once you are done, simply hit next here in the bottom and you need to simply save your listings. So you need to also verify that your account, if Facebook requests any additional information, following Facebook's commerce policies and keeping your account in good standing will help you continue using the marketplace without any restrictions. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.